Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Sometimes the best recipes are the simplest. So let's jump right into making the best apple pie for the start of this fall season, complete with a fun hack for peeling your apples and a recipe for the best, flakiest pie crust you will ever try. So yeah, let's first tackle that pie crust, and if you have a food processor, you can throw it all in there together. Mixing this dough by hand, though, is totally easy, so don't sweat it if you don't have a food processor, but since I do, I always use it. So get all the dry ingredients in there. That's the flour, sugar, salt. I have cold vegan butter and shortening, and then I'm going to process that to a mealy, chunky consistency. Then you're going to pour the ice water and oil through the feed tube, but be sure to only process it until it's incorporated and still really crumbly. You don't want to process it to a paste. Then you're going to turn it out and knead the rest by hand. Then just wrap it up and chill it for about 20 minutes to allow it to relax, and then you're going to roll out one half for the bottom crust, and then just continue chilling that other half of dough until you're ready to place it on top after you've made this apple filling. So yeah, first of all, the hack that I'm sure you guys have seen before, it's been around for years, but using a drill to peel your apples. While I'm not really sure it was worth the effort, it was fun to try it at least once. And I am using a combination of Granny Smith apples and Macintosh apples here, but you can use whatever variety you like best for baking. Go ahead and core them, peel them, cut them into about 1/4 inch thick slices, light brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, fresh nutmeg is great if you have it, or just use the pre-ground stuff. And I do add the juice from half a lemon and an orange too, and sometimes I even add a splash of brandy. It's a really nice added layer of flavor, believe me, but otherwise you could just really leave it out. A spot of vegan butter at the end, and then the other portion of pie dough is rolled out and placed on top. Now I've sealed those edges together with a brushing of aquafaba, and then the extra dough got cut into little leaves for decoration, and that's completely optional, of course. Oh yeah, the top crust also got brushed with the remaining aquafaba and then a nice sprinkling of cinnamon sugar. Cut some slits for the steam, and into a preheated oven it goes. I always use a pizza stone to bake my pies to make sure that the bottom crust gets nicely baked. And yeah, this one, perfection. I often forget how amazing simple bakes can be. It's always really nice to revisit the classics once in a while. Just a real nice old-fashioned apple pie is just awesome. So I really hope you will try the recipe. Head on over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab it, and I have tons of other baking tips and tricks and recipes there too. Be sure to check out my perfect pumpkin pie recipe too for this fall Thanksgiving season coming up. All the links are below this video in the description box. Alright everyone, thanks for watching my video, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.